Oke, perkenalkan nama saya Galvin Nurjanto dengan NIM 2202 1106 0075. Saat ini saya akan mengerjakan tugas jaringan komunikasi data 7.1.6 Lab use Wireshark to examine Ethernet frames. Di sini ada dua part. Yang pertama, examine the header fields in an Ethernet dual frame. Part 2, use Wireshark to capture and analyze Ethernet frames. Langsung saja part pertama, examine the header fields in an Ethernet 2 frame. Step yang pertama, review the Ethernet 2 header field descriptions and lengths. Di sini preamble 8 bytes, destination address 6 bytes, source address 6 bytes, frame type 2 bytes, data 46 sampai 1500 bytes, FCS 4 bytes. Step yang kedua, examine the network configuration of the PC. Kita buka CMD, IP config /o. Oke, bisa lihat di sini connection spesifik DNS suffix. Sini wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. Untuk physical addressnya D0 395778 E389. DHCP enable yes, configuration enable yes. Lanjut, step 3. Ini kita close dulu. Examine Ethernet frames in a Wireshark capture. Use Wireshark. Use Wireshark. This highlights the frame details for an ARP request. This re this screenshot highlights the frame details for an ARP reply. Step 4, examine the Ethernet to header contents of an ARP request. Sini field preamble tidak ditampilkan di gambar. Destination address broadcast FFFFF dapat dilihat di bagian sini. FFFFF sini destination broadcast FFF. Source address di sini Netgear 99 C572. Di sini source Netgear 99 C572 dan sebagainya. Frame type di sini 0x0806. Di sini tipenya ERP 0x0806. Di sini juga sama. Datanya tipe ERP dan VCS tidak ditampilkan di gambar. Oke, untuk yang pertanyaan pertama, what is significant about the contents of the destination address field? Isi dari field alamat alamat tujuan dalam frame Ethernet dapat berisi alamat broadcast FFF atau alamat unicast. Field alamat tujuan ini penting karena menentukan kemana frame tersebut dikirim. Apakah itu broadcast ke semua perangkat di jaringan atau unicast ke perangkat tertentu. Yang kedua, what does the PC send out broadcast ARP prior to sending the first ping request? Oke, PC mengirimkan broadcast ARP sebelum mengirimkan permintaan ping pertama untuk menyelesaikan alamat MAC dari gateway default. Broadcast ARP ini diperlukan untuk mendapatkan alamat MAC dari alamat IP tujuan sebelum mengirimkan permintaan ping. Lanjut untuk pertanyaan ketiga. What is the MAC address of the source in the first name? Namanya adalah Netgear 99 C572. What is the vendor ID OUI of the source NIC in the ARP request? Itu untuk ARP-nya di sini. Untuk ARP-nya 3046 9A, vendor ID OUI dari NIC sumber dalam permintaan RP adalah 30469A. Oke, lanjut. What portion of the MAC address is the OUI? Bagian dari MAC address yang merupakan OUI adalah 6 digit pertama. Lanjut, nomor what is the NIC serial number of the source? Nomor seri dari NIC dari sumber adalah 995C572. Oke, kita lanjut untuk part 2, use Wireshark to capture and analyze Ethernet frames. Step 1, determine the IP address of the default gateway on your PC. Open command prompt, ipconfig. Oh, sorry. Sini kita langsung ipconfig. Oh, sudah. What is the IP address of the VC default gateway? Untuk default gateway-nya, sorry, E80. Default gateway-nya EP80 titik. Oke, lanjut. Start capturing traffic on your PC and IC. Open Wireshark. Observe the traffic that appears in the packet list window. You can use filter box type ICMP. The box should turn green if you type the filter correctly. If the box is green, click apply, direct arrow to apply the filter. Lanjut from the command prompt window, ping the default gateway of your PC. Get Ping the default gateway using the IP address that you record in step 1. From the command ping the default gateway using the IP address that you record in step 1. IP address. Setelah belakang. 5. Stop capturing traffic on the NIC. Click the stop capturing package on the icon. Oke, kita ulangi dari step pertama, determine the IP address. Kita buka IP config, command prompt, sorry, cmd run as administrator p config /o. Oke, sudah. Open Wireshark, kemudian setelah itu can use filter bla bla. Step 3, you can use the filter in Wireshark to block visibility of unwanted traffic. The filter does not block the capture of unwanted data. It's only filter what you want to display on the screen. For now, only ICMP traffic is to be displayed. Di sini ICMP. Oke. Setelah itu kita ketik ping di sini, ping 192.168.1. Oke, bisa lihat di sini. Oke. Seterusnya, stop capturing traffic on the NIC. Click the stop capturing package icon to stop capturing traffic. Sini kita klik. Oke, lanjut. Step 6, examine the first echo ping request in Wireshark. The Wireshark main window is divided into three sections: the package list pane, top, the package detail pane, middle, and the packet bytes pane, bottom. If you selected the correct interface for packet capturing, previously Wireshark should display the ICMP information in the packet list pane of Wireshark. In the packet list pane top section, click the first frame listed. You should see a copying request under the info heading. The line should now be highlighted. Under packet list pane. Kita cari paket list. Now divide into three sections. The packet, first packet, last packet. Oke, lanjut step 6, examine the first echo ping request in Wireshark. Yang step A, in the packet list band top section, click the first frame listed. You should see a copying request under the info heading. The line should now be highlighted. Okay. Examine the first line in the packet details pane middle section. In the line, display the length of the frame. frame 327 74 bytes on wire 552 bits. Lanjut, the second line in the packet details pane show that it is an Ethernet 2 frame. The source and destination MAC address are also displayed. Sorry. What is the MAC address of the PC and IC? MAC address MAC addressnya 488F 5A001580. Dan what is the default gateway MAC address? Untuk default gateway MAC address yang sebelumnya kita masukkan yaitu 192.168.1.1. Selanjutnya, you can click the greater than sign at the beginning of the second line, obtain more information about the Ethernet 2 frame. What type of frame is displayed? Type IPv4 0 kali 0800. Selanjutnya, the last two lines display in the middle section provide information about the data field of the frame. Notice that the data contains the source and destination IPv4 address information. What is the source IP address? What is the destination IP address? Source-nya adalah 172.131.6.4.1 dan destination address-nya 192.168.1.1. Selanjutnya, you can click any line in the middle section to highlight the part of the frame hex and ASCII in the packet bytes pane bottom section. Click the Internet Control Message Protocol line in the middle section and examine what is highlighted in the packet bytes pane. What do the last two highlighted octets spell? Sini last two H dengan I. Selanjutnya, click the next frame in the top section and examine echo reply frame. Notice that source destination MAC address is reversed because this frame was sent from the default gateway router as a reply string. What device and MAC address is displayed as the destination address? What device and MAC address is displayed as the destination? Router board 001580. Oke, selanjutnya step 7 capture packet. Klik di start capture. Klik without saving. Seterusnya command prompt kita klik ping www.kisco.com. Oh, sorry. Ini bisa dari sini kita package capture kembali. Implement the new data utilized by short echo. In the first echoing request frame, what are the source and destination MAC address? Source-nya 172.31.641. Destination-nya 23.220.173.41. Selanjutnya, what are the source and destination IP address contained in the field of the frame? What the source of and destination IP address contained in the data field in the frame? Oh, sorry. Yang sebelumnya, what are the source and destination? In the first echoing request frame, what are the source and destination MAC address? MAC address-nya 88F 5A 001580. Untuk source-nya DO 395778E389. Dan untuk yang are the source and destination IP address contained in the data field of the frame itu yang ini 172.31.64.41 dan destination 23.220.173.41. Oke, yang selanjutnya compare these addresses to the addresses you receive in step 6. The only address that change is the destination IP address. Why has the destination IP address changed while the destination MAC address remain the same? Oke, destination IP address berubah karena alamat IP tujuan dalam header frame ditentukan oleh konfigurasi jaringan dan target komunikasi, sementara alamat MAC tujuan tetap sama karena merupakan alamat MAC dari gateway default yang konstan dalam skenario ini. Oke, sekian dari tugas yang telah saya buat. Terima kasih.